Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar from Amrita University, and this will be a short demo of the text summarizer I made using Spacy, Gensim, NLTK, Sumy, Flask, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So getting on to it, initially I'll start by beginning with how to run the program. So as you can see, this is the driver file. So all you have to do is open a terminal or command line for Windows and then type the command python space app.py just like this. So let's get into the website. So this is the UI part of the website. Here is where you enter the text that has to be summarized, and in here you will enter the URL of the website containing the text that you require to be summarized. And the sentence you see here, your request required 0 computations in the current session, makes use of session variables. And this sentence right below is that you already visited this page on, makes use of cookies. So let's jump into the application. So in here I'll enter the text here. Let us see how it summarizes. So by default the summarizer I have used is Spacy. So all the other summarizers like Gensim, NLTK, Sumy and all I have used it to only for the comparison purpose. So I will tell much about that in the later section of this video. So as you can see here, this is the actual text and this is the summarized version. You can see the difference between the two. Although the meaning has not been changed much, the reading time has been reduced considerably. And you can see here it has required one computation in this current session, implying that the request to summarize it went through a single function. So again, now let's go for a URL. So before actually summarizing the URL, let's go to the URL and check how the website is. So it's some article about transfer learning in deep learning. So what I do is here, I use Beautiful Soap and URL to extract all the paragraphs from here. As you can see, I extract all the paragraphs from here, and that will be the input to my text. I mean input as a text. So let's summarize now. Takes a while because it has to connect to the internet and then get to that, and the internet is a bit slow in here. Finally, so as you can see here, the actual text is so long, very long. However, the summarized version is quite short. Although it may not have captured all the essential requirements, there will be the crisp of the entire article can be found in the single paragraph. And you can see here the reading time has been reduced from 47 minutes to just 1.12 minutes. So what if you enter the URL of a website that does not contain a text? Say for example, this is an URL containing only a image. See the image of a keyboard. So let's see what happens when I input this as an URL. As you can see, an error pops up stating that the website does not contain text or it does not allow text to be extracted. You can click this so that it goes away. Let's see about the comparison. So comparison, I'll input the text in here and click on summarize. This actually compares between Spacy, Gensim, NLTK and Sumy. This is the default summarizer I've used even in the home page. So it will be the same. Gensim doesn't seem to much work much for this particular thing. NLTK seems to be good. Sumy is fine as well. And as you can see, all the requests right from the beginning of the session till this has required 16 computations. I mean, from the right from the home page, then input the first URL about transfer learning, the second URL about of an image, and now this. All these has involved 16 functions so far. So here you can see a brief explanation about the summary here. In case you need the code and all, I have it in my GitHub repository. You can take all the code from here. I have also given given the instructions of how to run the app. To know more about me, you can click here, or in case if you have queries about the application or suggestions or feedbacks, you can just go here. This is my portfolio. These are all links to my other projects I have created. And in this file, just in this subject column, give a title of the project that you have a feedback or suggestion or doubt or whatever it is, and then submit. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening.